to be honest, I think I have mentioned this before that in quarantine, like no lockdown or whatever, like the situation we're in right now, like I feel that online school, the biggest advantage that it has posed is the fact that because you're alone, like because you're just doing it in your room, just online school, you just naturally work a lot harder and a lot more because you're by
Hmm.
yourself. And I think that's
Yeah.
an so like I can form a question here, like how has like your quarantine life in your program been different from your in person, because you're lucky enough like us, you've had an in person and an online
Right.
experience.
Right.
Unluckily, like the people coming in right now don't have that opportunity. But
Right.
like for you, for example, what do you think the difference is, or like
No, I
how
agree
have you
with
treated it?
you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. I think a lot of people like to just hate on online school, but I don't mind online school because it definitely saves a lot of time. There's no distraction, as Rayhan said,
True.
so we can really focus on our work, and that really gave me an opportunity to grow my YouTube channel, just grow my side interests, do more research on the things I really want to like research outside of my schoolwork.
Mm-hmm.
And I am like a person who likes to study alone when I like to like study. And given that there's no opportunity to like hang out with my friends and go to parties, a lot of my time went into like doing my work. So I definitely feel I'm much more productive compared to like pre-pandemic world.
Mm-hmm. I think we can kind of guarantee that the average GPA of last semester, like of U of T, of U of the
Mhm.
whole average GPA, was higher than last year. I
I
I
think
agree.
don't know
I agree.
about
I think
that.
that's a fact, because I
I
just think
don't
that's
know
a
about
fact. I
that.
think that okay, because a lot of the course averages like that I'm seeing, like some posts on Reddit and stuff like that. Like, of course there are courses that are stricter, but on average, as you know, as Richard, as you were saying, like because people are isolated, because they don't have 50 other people in the class to distract them, like you're a lot more focused, and like you're always at home. You're not doing anything. You're not going out. You're not
I do
partying.
think you're generalizing a little bit because
I
some
am, of course,
people
I'm
are
generalizing. I'm,
having
I'm
a lot
literally
of
saying
trouble.
average. I am generalizing. I'm
I know,
completely generalizing. There are
but
extremes, of course, but I'm saying it's higher. I'm not saying it's a 4.0. I'm not saying it's a 3. I'm saying it's higher, possibly, I think, than
I
what
don't
it
know
was
if you
last year.
have any any like hard
No, of
data to
course,
back that
it's my
up.
opinion. It's my opinion. I think. I think.
But just to build off of that, I think we need to like touch upon the very flip side of the coin. I think a lot of students like to hate on online school because it's
Hmm.
very hard to stay motivated during these times. And I felt that like by myself too. Like sometimes when you're just sitting in your room like 7 hours straight and you just look out and it's already nighttime.
Yeah,
Oh
I feel like
my.
what am
Yeah.
I doing? I feel like a domesticated animal sometimes. I
yeah.
just stay in my room, eat food, study, make videos. What making videos is definitely like my refresher, but sometimes it's very easy to lose control of your life, and I think that's where a lot of the challenges of online school comes from.
Mhm.
Hmm.
So if to everyone who's listening to this, if you're going through like a very hard time because of online school, I'm sure you're not the only one. Maybe Rayhan and I are the small minorities, but I heard so many stories based on the whole lack of motivation, um, just all the negative things. So